Hey everyone, want to join our live interactive classes? Just click the link in the description and start your journey today. Okay, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about what are the common patterns which are used in the regular expressions and also some of the functions like search find all substituting like and all we are going to do it practical way by using vs code by using vs code. Okay, if you want to uh, download or any help needed for downloading and installing the VS Code, please go through the previous video from our channel. Then it will help you to download and install the VS Code, and then come here to start your first write your first program. Okay. Uh, today, in this session, we are going to discuss about common patterns and functions which are going to use in regular expressions. Before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about the uh, just give me a second. What are the real world use case of regular expressions? Okay, how to validate the mobile number, how to validate the mail address. Okay, extracting the all numbers from search. Okay, and also extracting the mail IDs and checking the if a string is starts with the specific words or not, like that. We have seen some of the use case scenarios of this regular expression in Python. Okay, and the special symbols which we are going to write in regular expressions like dot, caret, dollar and all, we have seen in the last class. Okay, if you want complete detailed explanation, please go through the previous class. Okay, and also we have discussed about the what is regular expression and what are the some of the common patterns which are used in regular expressions. Okay, now we are going to discuss about what are the common patterns which we are going to use in these regular expressions. Common patterns. So here, what are the common patterns here we are going to here use in regular expressions? The first symbol is uh, okay, slash symbol. Okay, it is used to usually call as a in. We need to give the proper string name also, whether we are going to use extract use the digits or numbers or any strings we are going to specify. So here I had given slash symbol and also d. What is it means, what is the d in these regular expressions means? It is going to search for the digits. D means digits. Okay. Digits means new numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Next, and also we can use this slash and capital D. Okay. What this capital D means here? uh, it is tells that it is not search, or it is not going to search for a not a digits. Okay, it means that if you give small d means it is going to search the digits. If it's not a digits means we have to use capital D. We have to use capital D, not a digit. Okay, and also uh, next, we are going to use slash and the W. Slash and the W. Okay, just give me a second. So, the slash symbol and W. W, it's a small W. We have to uh, thoroughly identify which we are going to use, whether it is a, small w or capital W. Not only for this W and all, every letter which we are going to specify here, it is going to search using that type of letter only, and it also varies from small letters and capital letters. Okay, so here if we specify the small w means it's going to search for the word characters. Okay, so uh, word characters. So the examples of these word characters are small a to z, comma, and also capital A to Z. Okay, and it may also have digits also, and then underscore like that. Okay, it is going to search for these kind of uh, characters in this regular expression. And then which we are going to, next function which we are going to use in regex is backward slash and then capital W. So it means it's not a word character. It's not a word character. Not a word character. Okay. Next, backward slash S. So what it means is it's a byte space, like a space and tab. Space comma tab. Next, backward slash capital S. Not a white space. Okay, these are the some of the common patterns which we are going to use in regular expressions. Okay, and then now we are going to use these functions by using VS Code. Okay, for installation and downloading and installation, please watch our previous video. Now here first whatever we are going to use here, uh, first we need to import that function in VS Code. Okay, uh, we used to import that function. Okay, so for that we are going to write import RE. Import RE means regular expression. After importing that regular expression, now we are going to write our program. So here I am going to search or match for the text or string. Okay, so now I am going to give a variable name called text equal to the text contains text and also some numbers, text and also some numbers. So here now I am going to give, just give me a second, my number. Okay, for suppose, just for example only I am taking that number may contain 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 8. Okay, okay, 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. Okay, like that. Now we have to give these characters in special codes. Okay, okay. Next, now what function I'm going to perform here is finding a phone number from a given string. Okay, finding a phone number from given string. So here, uh, not here. Okay, I will write here only. Okay, so here now it is a normal text, right? So I am going to comment that line. Okay, first I am going to take as symbol. As symbol is used to comment a line or comment a code. So here and find phone number. Let's assume this is a phone number. Okay, this is a normal text. Now I am going to extract this phone number from this entire line. Okay, next. For that, what function I'm going to here is, now I'm going to match the digits, right? Digits means numbers. Okay, for that I'm going to write match. Match here, match is nothing but a variable name. Okay, match equal to re means regular expression dot search, which we have. Why we are going to write here is we are going to search a phone number. For that, what function we need to write here is r means regular expression, uh, and then I am giving a single colons, and also in these single colons we are going to specify in the uh, uh, function. Okay, whether we are going to match a string or digits or space or white characters, like that we are going to specify here. Now I'm going to search for I'm going to search a phone number, right? So phone number is in digits format. So digits format is nothing which we are going to match means now here we need to give a digits only. So for that, I am going to give some backward slash and then digits. Okay, digits means 0 to 9. Here we are mentioned, right? So here the first one, digits 0 to 9. And then here we need to give the digits from which number to which number we are going to match. So and I mean how many numbers we are going to match. Okay, so how many numbers means here we are going to take curly braces. In these curly braces we are the phone number is contains 10 digits, right? Now that's why I am going to give 10 digits. Here how many digits I have specified? 1 2 3 4 6 7, these 9 and plus one more 9, so 10 digits. The phone number contains 10 digits, that's why I had given here 10 digits. Okay, and that 10 digits are contained in which variable? In text. So the variable name here which we are going to we had given is text, right? So I am going we are going to specify that here text. From this text it has to match the digits, and that digits are having how many numbers? 10 digits. Okay, uh, clear observe only because it is very important to write the regular expression. If you understand this properly for the first time, and which we are going to write the first program using regular expression, then you are able to learn easily from the next functions. Okay, or okay, next after here we are given the complete function we are specified. Now what we are going to do is we are going to print that one. Now simply print of match. Match, why I had given matches here? I had specified the function in match variable. Okay, that's why I'm going to specify here group. So now I am going to give here group. What is this group? Group means it will combine all. Group means like that only, right? Just it's a not only in regular expression. It's not the meaning of group is with the combination of all numbers. Like okay. So here I am going to match or group these digits. Okay. Uh, Group means it is already in group. So in the same group we are going to print. Okay. Okay. In Python, everything will be in simple manner only. Yeah, I have written nothing that I have written not that much program, just a single line program. This look like a normal text only, and this also print is not also looks like a normal text only. The here the point we need to remember is first importing the regular expression, and then pattern which we are going to match. What is so here? This complete thing is called as a function, and here we are going to specify the pattern. That pattern will decide with whether we are going it is going to match the digits or characters or anything. Okay, now I am going to print the function print the this program output. Let's see what it will give. So here the number what we are whatever we have specified here, it is mentioned here only. Okay, next thing if you, and I think it is easy to understand for you. If you didn't understand, then just go back for a few minutes and then watch from scratch, then you are able to understand. If you didn't understand at that time also, then please watch our previous videos from which are contained on regular expression. Okay. Mm. Next. The search we are here, we have performed the search. Okay. Next, we are going to use another one for this one, I mean another function, that is called as find all. Okay, that is called as, here we have specified search, then we are going to replace this search by find all. But I can replace, we can replace from here also, but in the starting onwards, we, if you do like that, you may get some confusion. That's why here I am going to write from the scratch. Scratch means here these two lines are common. Just I am going to specify. Just I'm going to change this line only. Okay. Now for that, I am going to comment those two also. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to clear this also. Yes. Okay. Without any confusion, we can understand. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, let's throw out this below. Just concentrate on this only. So here the function, what operation we are going to perform is find all digits. Otherwise, I can, I mean, I will send the live class notes, right, for the registered people. So for that registered people, uh, I am going to copy these lines. First of all, I'm going to comment out, copy. I will paste here. This file has been modified by another program. Examples. Now we can comment here. We can go for another one. Okay. Find all digits. Just give me a second. Okay. So here, find all digits. Finding all digits. So for finding all digits, what pattern we are going to use is all underscore digit. So here one more thing I need to give say is, we can give where the variable name whatever we want to do. Okay. So here instead of writing all digits, we can simply write here uh, A also. Okay, from A or B like that. Okay, but for understanding purpose only, I am going to write everything in a detailed way. Okay. Don't, but whenever you are confident to write this program, then we can use a simple letter instead of writing the words. We can, you can use simple letters, right? Okay. Don't think that we have to write every time all things. Okay, all digits equal to. So this is the regular expression, right? So I'm here. I'm going to get a regular expression, re, and find all. Next, for this find all, we need to specify the pattern. Pattern starts with R, regular expression, and in single colons, we are going to use backslash and then D. Here also we are going to extract the digits only. Okay. So for that digits, we are going to keep comma. Yeah. So here one more thing. Uh, Next, here from where we are going to match here is from the text. So we are going to write text. Okay. Next, we have completed writing the pattern for this find all function. Okay. And then we are going to print. Okay. Print of all digits. Okay. Let's see the whatever the output will be. Okay. So here the number is it was given as a individual digits. Okay, it has given as an individual digits. For previously when we had used research, it is given as a entire numbers because we had used their group. So group means it will contains all the things. It will given as a one group. Okay. But we didn't use the group. Okay. For that here. So we can clearly observe here we had used group. Okay. That's why it has given as output as group only. Here we didn't use a group. That's why it is given as individual digits. 9 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. And next, now here I'm going to give this example also in our live class notes. Now I am going to comment these lines in order to perform another operations. So the next thing we are going to use here is replacing the given digits. Okay, replacing the given digits. Replace digits with cap, capital X. Okay. Uh, After writing this entire program, you are able to understand what we are going to write. Okay. So here, for this purpose, we are going to use one function called sub. Sub means substitute. So just go for any real-time example, like if you want to give the your credentials for logging in some Facebook or Instagram accounts, okay, or mail account. So after writing your username, it show as a username only. But after writing the password, after giving the password, it will show as some masked one. Okay. Uh, Until we choose that eye icon or specific symbol, it will shows like, yeah, just go for live example. I'm going to give here Open Google. Okay, in this Gmail login. So here, okay, it will take some time. Okay, so here it is already logged in. That's why it is unable to show. Otherwise, if you want to show any other names, okay. I mean, if you want to log in through any other functions like just open Facebook. I think Facebook is not open in my Chrome. Login. Give me a second. So like that. See here, it is showing some dotted lines. Some dotted lines. Instead of showing the password, it is showing that dotted lines, right? For that only, it is. I mean, it is called as in some masked. In the same way, okay. In the same way, here we are going to use the some masked patterns here. Okay. Uh, just give me a second. Replacing. So here some masked password I am going to provide here. Masked equal to RE means regular expression dot sub. I will give some more detail in our upcoming sessions. Okay, about this sub and compile and all. Okay, so here sub means R comma single quotes we had given uh, backward slash. We are going to mask the digits. That's why I had given a small d and comma. Um, what we are going to mask with is all digits has to replace with these digits has to replace with x. Okay, that's why I'm going to give here x. Okay, but we need to give these x in single quotes. Okay, and then comma. From where it has to take means text. From text it has to take this number. Okay, and this number has to replace with this x. Okay, for that I'm going to give here text. Now the pattern is completed, the function is completed. Now next the operation is to be printing that whatever we had given. So here I'm going to use print of masked. Okay, print of masked. Now before this, just I want to clear this output, previous output. Now let's run our program. See, number is completely masked with X. Okay, here we go. Here you can see. Okay, and then the our next operation is comparison. Okay, Before that, I need to specify this example in our direct live class notes. Replace all. Okay, this is the first example. This is the second. This is the third. Okay, just for reference. Uh, Next, compile. For that compile, uh, just give like compile. Okay, what is this compile? Here we can see a compile is used to. Okay, compile is used to take take the or give output for multiple times. We can write here only a single time, but we can use that compile operation for multiple times. We can use that compile operation for multiple times. um, how we are going to use this compile is I am going to show you with a practical live example. Okay, so here, let's see. For writing the compile program, first we need to go for pattern. We are going to here. First, I am going to take one pattern. I mean, here I'm going to take this pattern as a variable name only. Okay, don't think that the pattern is something that has some special meaning in this Python, like that. Don't think like that. Just it's like a variable name. Like we had given in previous example, like all digits. Okay, uh, like that we had given, right? So here I'm going to match this pattern, right? So that's why I'm going to give here, given here pattern. So and the pattern will be pattern equal to RA regular expression data. The function is compile, right? So compile, and in parentheses we need to specify the pattern in single quotes with backward slash, and we are going to match here digits, right? That's why we are mentioning digits. And how many digits we are going to match here? uh, 10 digits. Let's here say parentheses. So like d, and also in parentheses like specify the numbers, how many digits we are going to match. Okay, now here we are going to give the variable. Okay, uh, let's comment for this as of now. Sorry. The result, we are going to print the result, right? So for that we are going to give result equal to pattern dot find all. Find all means it is going to find all the digits. Okay, 10 digits we are specified, so it is going to pattern find the all. Okay, find all means I mean here we are going to use this compile for multiple times, right? That's why we have specified here find all. Okay, find all in uh sorry, we have to give here double quotes. So for suppose call 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digits. Okay, 10 digits, and also we are going to give here mm, from back 0987654321. Okay, so these are also 10 digits. These are also 10 digits. Okay. Mm, Now, what we are going to do is just print the result. Simply print off result. Let's see what we will do. Before this, we need to clear the previous output. Now, just observe the entire program. Okay. Now I am going to print this. Let's see what will be the output. So see here, we had given uh, two numbers. Okay, so here we are given compile. These compile, what it will going to do is it will going to use that function with this final function by using this compile is for two times. First one is for this time this number, and the second time it is going to perform the same operation for the these numbers. So here this compile is used for multiple times. For first okay, one and two. For the first example we have taken it has taken this, and for the second example it has taken this one. This is the use of compile. Okay, this is the use of compile. Okay, now I'm going to give this in. Okay, now I'm going to give these live example in our live running class nodes. Okay, live running class nodes. Okay. Before that, I want to mention few more points in that live class nodes. Just wait. Here we need to ignore this line. Okay, we had used this line in previous example, not in this line. That's why we have I had commented out. Okay. Okay, for compilation we had used like this. Okay. Now thing which I am going to give here is I had given re dot sub, right? Re dot sub. Sorry, dot we need to mention instead of dot. I had given comma re dot sub. Just I want to give some definition for this for understanding proper. So so otherwise but okay. It is used to replace replace parts of a string. Here, what is the string? String means text. You can simply call parts of a string that matches that match a pattern with a replacement string. It is easy to replace parts of a string that match a pattern with a replacement string. Okay, so here what it is going to do is sub means here I need to give sub means substitute or replace. Don't need more explanation about this because we know what is substitute or what is replace. Replacements which is going to represent another one instead of the previous one. Okay, and I had shown you for this live example also. Okay, substitute or replace. Okay, substitute or replace. Hmm. Next, in the same way, I am going to give. So for this, I need to specify this example. Then you are able to understand this one. Hmm. Example. Next thing. E dot compile. Okay. Re dot compile. So what it means is compile compiles a regular expression into a regex object. So it can be used to used multiple times, or it can be used multiple times efficiently. Wait. Okay, here taken from conceive. Okay, now it's fine. Compiles multiple times efficiently. Compiles compiles a regular expression into a regex. Regex means regular expression object, so it can be used multiple times efficiently. So for using multiple times, we are using compile. What is the example for this? We have what example we have taken for understanding this? Let's paste it over here. Yes, I need to copy this also. Dot x. Yeah, right. Okay. Okay. So, before closing this session, let's have an overview of what we learned today. What we learned today. So, today we have started with the uh, what are the common patterns which we are used in this regular expression. What are the common patterns which we are used in this regular expression? So, the regular expression or the patterns are digits, not a digit, word character, and not a word character, and also white space, not a white space. Okay, so for these s and capital S and small s, and also a w and small w and capital W, which we can see our class in our upcoming sessions. Okay, these for these examples also I am going to take another classes. Okay, next. So here we have performed subtraction, substitute by using this function and this pattern. Okay, we had replaced the digits with so here I need to specify the text also. Then you can able to understand easily. For this compilation, we don't need that line for this, but for this right, this mask, you need that text line. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to write that one here. Example. First, we need to write import re and then text equal to my number is, then any number. Okay, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. This number is replaced with x. Okay, whatever number we will give, it will replace with this x. Okay, and then we had done compilation base. For that compilation we had taken another number and another example. So here compile is actually used to can be used multiple times. Okay, can be used for multiple times. So here multiple times means this is the first time, this is the another time, second time. Okay, for these two times we didn't write the pattern for two times, just we written pattern for one time, but we had used for multiple times. Okay, and then so here we had a search, or we had gone for search also. In this search what we have done is we find the phone number from a given text, like that. I had given, right, text equal to some, my number is, like that. From that text we had find the phone number also. And then uh, and we had grouped that also, and also for finding all digits. So whatever the text, I mean digits we had given, we are going to extract that all digits by using this find all operation. Here search, here find all, before that compile, and before that sub means substitute. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like our content, just then just smash that like button. Want to stay updated with our latest content? Hit subscribe. Got any questions or doubts? Drop them in the comments. We are here to help. Now, know someone who is struggling to kickstart their IT career. Share this video and make a difference. Uh, Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.